Hola clase, espero que estén bien. In this video, we're going to be discussing some of our upcoming activities for this next month. So I did want to point out that if you go down on our announcements page, I did today update your partner groups. So you'll find your partner's information here. Okay, and the way that you contact your partner, you'll be going to our course documents, partners for quizzes. You see there's a whole list of everyone's names here. You'll go to send email. You'll look for their name on this list, select it over. So for example, if this person was my partner, I would select their name and write them an email here through Blackboard. That's how you guys can get in contact with each other. So please, I know that some of you had issues contacting your partner previously for the past quiz. So just make sure that you keep that in mind for our next quiz, which is going to be due on the 18th of October. That's our Chapter 3 quiz with a partner. Okay, so please make sure that you are taking that into account for our upcoming quiz. The upcoming homework that we have for this weekend is from Chapter 3. Present tense verbs, tutorial explanations, okay, and telling time. So you only have four homework assignments. So I know that they have multiple activities, but those are the only homework assignments you have for this week, and they relate to Chapter 3. Okay, so make sure that you are reviewing the grammar tutorials, any of the extra lectures. That way you're able to get information about that chapter. It's also here in the textbook, okay? I think that is the only thing that we needed to be updated on in the course. That's all we have going on for this week. If you have any questions, please reach out to me.